Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to make iced coffee. If I don't have time to make cold brew like the night before or something like that, then I'll just do this. It's super easy and it still tastes like strong, good iced coffee, you know? So if you guys are interested in that, then just keep watching. The background is kind of weird. I'm still trying to figure out how to record in this apartment. It's kind of weird. The kitchen's kind of smaller, so my spacing is like all over the place. So please excuse that. But for this iced coffee recipe, it's really like simple. You just need ground coffee. I'll insert measurements somewhere throughout just because for me, I just eyeball it because I know how much it is, but I will insert some measurements, so if you guys want to follow along, you can get the exact measurements I'm using or like what's recommended. So you can either use this guy or you can use a Chemex, and a Chemex is this guy right here. I have a paper towel in there because I just washed it, so, or you can use this guy. Chemexes are a little pricier. I don't know if you can see well. Chemexes are a little pricier, so I'm going to use this one today just for it. This is just easier to get. These are like 40 bucks. I love it. It's really cute. It's like very aesthetic, has the little thing going on. And also I'm going to use this because this one you can make a lot more coffee with. As you can see at the bottom, I got the bigger one instead of the smaller one. And then with this one you can make like a single serve coffee, or you can control how much you're going to make. So we're going to use this one today. What you're going to need is a coffee filter. Let me grab mine. So yeah, first things you're going to need is this ground coffee and then some hot water right here. For the coffee filter, I'm going to use a Chemex filter because that's what I have, but I'm pretty sure that you can use just like regular coffee filters. Just go to the store and they have cone filters for like when you're brewing like a pot of coffee. You can use one of those in here and it's fine. What you're going to want to do first though is make sure that you rinse the filter to get the taste out. So you're just gonna run some water through the filter to like get the filter paper taste out. Some places don't do this. I know Starbucks doesn't. When they do pour over, they don't rinse the filter. Rinse your filter. Just do it. Just do it. It's not hard. Okay. And if you don't know what I mean by saying like rinse the filter, I literally mean just run water through your filter, let it pour through, so you rinse any paper taste, stuff like that out. So I'm going to use this. I'm pretty sure it's a vase, but it's fine. Just so you guys can see the coffee drip through. So you're going to grab your coffee. I think I'm going to pull the camera in so you guys can see like what I'm doing hands on, so you get a better idea of what's going on. It's easier for you to follow, so give me a second. Okay, so hopefully that's like a good angle. So you're going to pour your coffee in. I use a good amount of coffee. I use a good amount of coffee because I like really strong tasting coffee. So if you're making this hot, you're going to use about 3.5 cups of water. And if you're making it iced, you're going to use half the measurement. And the reason is because you're going to add ice. It's going to water down the coffee a little bit. Is you're going to go in an even circle and try and wet all the grounds as much as you can on the first pour. Okay. And then you're going to wait about 30 seconds. Don't pour any more coffee. You're going to wait 30 seconds to let the beans bloom. And then you just see it happening down here. And then the next pour, you're just going to want to finish whatever water you have in there. And an even circle. And so this whole process is gonna take about 3 minutes. Really just see it going down. Okay. And you can just see the water basically emptying through the filter and down in here. Okay, so after the coffee drips through, you're just gonna take this off and you can just pull the filter out and throw it away. Now you can either put this in the fridge if you're gonna make iced coffee. If you're gonna make hot coffee, you're obviously gonna have a little more than this, and you can just add some cream, sugar, whatever you wanna do and drink it. If you're gonna make iced coffee, you can put it in the fridge if you want, or you can literally just pour some ice in a cup and pour the coffee in. Normally I would put it in the fridge just because I prefer my coffee to be really cold. For this video, I'm just gonna pour ice in the cup, pour the coffee in, and some cream. I'm gonna make my vanilla cream because I can't have my coffee without my vanilla sweet cream. And if you guys haven't seen that, go watch it. Like, what are you doing? No, but if you guys haven't seen that, it's really easy. I literally just put some maple syrup and some heavy cream into a milk frother and froth it up, and it's my vanilla cream. Or you can just take heavy cream, some maple syrup, put it in a bottle and just shake it like crazy until it gets thick in like a foam consistency. Yeah, so I'm gonna make the cream for the coffee just because I can't have it without my cream. I know some people literally can just drink the coffee straight black. I give props to you. Good, you have balls of steel. I can't do that. I need cream and some kind of sweetness in my coffee. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna make that and then I'll put the drink together and you guys can see the magic happen, you know? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna get a close-up shot so you guys can really see the magic going on, because that's my favorite part, is like watching the cream mix with the coffee. Like, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you won't see my cute little face for a minute. So let's zoom in. So this is the iced coffee, guys. It literally takes 3 minutes to make the coffee itself. If you want to make the cream, like 5 minutes, you know, but so good. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the easiest way to make iced coffee if you want like the actual good flavor of the iced coffee instead of just making like instant coffee. Instant coffee hurts my stomach. I don't know why. Something they do to make the beans like that. My light's kind of flickering. Can you see that? It's annoying. Please stop. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you try this coffee out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Helps my videos get out there in this huge platform that is YouTube. I am a speck. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any ideas of videos you want to see, any coffee ideas you want to see, any regular videos like you want to see, just let me know. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy your day and keep drinking your coffee.